Ever found yourself puzzled by the word cryptocurrency at a dinner party? Imagine cryptocurrency as digital magic beans. Only these beans grow in value. But where do you store these beans? In a crypto wallet, of course. Crypto wallets don't just hold, they secure your digital treasure from pirates. Now, how do these beans multiply? Welcome to the world of crypto mining. Mining isn't with picks and shovels, but with powerful computers solving complex puzzles. Each solved puzzle not only creates new coins, but also verifies transactions, keeping the network safe. But why all the fuss about cryptocurrencies? They're not controlled by any bank or government, making them the rebels of the financial world. This independence means your beans aren't affected by traditional market swings. Ready to dive into the crypto pool? Remember, it's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the waves in the pool, knowing when to swim and when to float. And remember, every miner and wallet plays a part in this vast ocean of digital currency. So whether you're investing or just curious, the crypto world welcomes you with open arms. Stay curious, stay informed, and who knows, maybe those magic beans will lead to a treasure.